Good morning. It is day one, so we're going to go grab some coffee at the cafe next to the hotel, so I'll show you what we get. And then later today we are going to head over to the pier and to the terminal to board the ship. Leftovers, tofu and rice. I also ate one of the tamagoyaki. Going to brunch at the George. It seems to be in this hotel. So this is the side that's open for the Fairmont Olympic Hotel, and there are a couple of restaurants in here, including the one we're going to go to. It's a fancy hotel.
My parents, my aunt, my two out of my four brothers.
That took like 5 seconds. We were very early, so we came at 11. Our check-in time was at noon, but it took like 5 seconds because we had the air flight. Voiceover here. So we were really lucky that we were able to get on the ship pretty quickly. We were able to check in. It took maybe a minute for all of us to get through. We had the Verify and the Arrive Can app already loaded and ready to go. Our veranda was ready when we arrived. It was number 4143, and I was able to actually show you the daily program. So this is obviously from August 2022, but the program here gives you a little bit of a look into what you might be able to expect on your embarkation day, etc. I'm going to give you a little bit of a ship tour a little bit later in the video, so stay tuned for that. And I also will kind of pop in with some voiceover narration and some tips and tricks every once in a while. That ship is huge. We put our carry-on items into the cabin and decided to go to our muster station, so this is required. Our muster station was on deck 3, which is the promenade deck, and actually this was a really nice place to kind of walk around in the morning and get some exercise and some steps in. We're at muster 3. Nobody's there quite yet to check anybody off for their muster drill, but I think it looks like pretty much everybody is already boarded. But the Princess ship is a different story. Look at how many people are still there. 1 mile is 3 laps. We're going to the main dining room for lunch because it should be open, but we have to pass through the casino. The casino on the Westerdam is smoke-free, just so you know that going into it. And this is the music walk area, which is right across from the casino as well. Gallery bar. It's kind of nice. You can watch football. Continuing on with the exploration, this is BB King's Blues Club, and this was my dad's favorite music venue on the ship. It had live music every night and also some dancing and everything like that to go along with it. This is the atrium looking down at guest services, just so you know. This is the Lincoln Center stage. There's a special partnership between Holland America Line and Lincoln Center in New York, and they do have a string quartet that does play live classical music here, and also some classical rendition of pop music. The Lincoln Center stage was very, very popular, so make sure that you get there ahead of time, but there is overflow seating behind the Lincoln Center stage here as well. One tip I have for you on Embarkation Day is to go to the main dining room for lunch. They do have the lunch menu available, and you can go also to the Lido Market, but if you want a little bit more of a relaxation sort of lunch, definitely hit up the main dining room. We had the Have It All package, which included the signature beverage package, so that meant any beverage up to $11, we were able to have up to 15 of those beverages per day. Maybe we should do that. Guess we should. I should have had that for lunch.
You must visit your muster station.
Okay, so quick stateroom tour. My parents are out in the hall, so I gotta go quick. So here are the light switches for the bathroom, etc. Sink, there is a step up. There is a medicine cabinet. My dad's already put stuff in there. Over here, so we had to request an extra set of towels because they only gave 2. So they have Elemis, they have the little sprayer nozzle for the shower. Bathtub, full bathtub, so step down. $4043 is the room. Pretty but big storage. My dad already put stuff in here, but hanging closet, more storage on the bottom. Full-length mirror. And then in here, got some pool towels, a couple of bathrobes, and some blankets for the deck. So they have info here. Our safe wasn't working, so hopefully they fixed that. And here are the laundry package options, if you're interested. I think we are going to do the unlimited laundry. It looks like you can get your shoe shined. So, huge mirror. We have the queen bed set up. Our suitcases are here already. They did change us into an adjoining room. We don't know who's over there. Got the TV, and it does not swivel. I know people check that out. A couple of coat hangers. This is the desk area. Sorry, it's very messy already. So we also requested some extra masks because, again, they only gave 2. My dad already put some stuff down there. And then this is my little area, which is going to be the sofa, and it is a pull-out sofa. Got a little coffee table, but this is pretty much it. So again, we did get changed, so I think that this veranda might be actually a little bit bigger than the one that we had before, but it is push to open, and then you can lock it. But this is the veranda, so it has enough for 2 chairs, and they each have an ottoman and a little coffee table as well.
Listen to the captain's safety announcement.
Here are the laundry package options. So there's laundry by the bag for $20, unlimited laundry for $49, and then unlimited pressing for $28. But if you do the unlimited laundry, it also comes with pressing. So you can add it by either talking to your stateroom steward or dialing 90. And then this is what the bag looks like. So it's like kind of small, like a pillowcase size. This is place, list, and bag, hand to room steward, or call for pickup. So this is the list here for what the items are. So I believe you just like kind of tally what's in there and then do what it says on the bag.
You some essential safety information. First, we will now sound the general emergency alarm, and that is for your information. Your other alarms, which are for the preparation purpose of our emergency teams only.
If it were just me, I would walk. We continued on with our tour, so we went up to the Lido deck, and on the Lido deck you'll find the spa, the fitness center, and then also the pool and the Lido Market, which is the buffet. We continued towards the aft because there was going to be a small sail away party, so we decided to go there and watch us sail away from Seattle Port.
My buddy, Rand.
to 70. We'll have her EXC talking multimedia presentation in the main stage at 7 and 9. We are Alaska, so I hope to see you guys there. It should be very informative, also very entertaining as well. So I hope to see you guys there. Before we head out of the venue, we're going to say something to Seattle. We're going to say, see you later, Seattle. So on 3, we're all going to chant, see you later, Seattle. Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. See you later, Seattle.
This is where the pool is in the middle and a ping pong table. There's also a bar over there. From there we headed up to the Crow's Nest, which is where the specialty coffee shop is, and then also the excursions desk. You can also play games, do puzzles, and do some nice reading with some really great views. Oftentimes there are a lot of the specialty talks that are also hosted within that same area as well. Super pretty. We headed back down to the Lido pool deck, so we wanted to go and get a little bit of a snack, so we were checking out the bar offerings and then also the dive-in burger bar. So that's a great place to pick up made-to-order burgers. They also have some plant-based meats available as well. The quinoa bowl that I had for lunch was pretty small actually, so compared to some of the other cruise lines, Holland America Line does have smaller portions, so keep that in mind. However, if you do want to try multiple entrees, another tip is to just ask for a smaller portion as well, so you don't waste any food, and you're able to try a lot of the different foods that are available. Fries with dive-in sauce. The fries are really good. They're battered and super fluffy and freshly fried. And the dive-in sauce is basically Big Mac sauce with like little pieces of dill pickle in it. So not my favorite, but if you like that sort of flavor, all for you. There are people in the pool, so I'm trying not to show them that they're closing their roof right now. It's kind of windy, so I get it. The roof is now closed. Ping pong table by the pool. Still not going to show you because there's so many people, but look at how pretty the view is, even though it's backlit. Sorry, you cannot see it at all. Believe me, it's really pretty. Okay, so I'm shooting through glass, so sorry about the reflections, but look how pretty it is. Part of me wants to try to figure out how to go up or down a deck to show you more. Hold on, I'll try to figure that out. I find the exit, running through the halls. I couldn't figure it out, so I'm on deck 3. It's so windy, but deck 3 is the promenade deck and wraps all the way around the outside.
The Lido Market has prepared a special welcome aboard steak dinner for your dining pleasure. The Lido Market is located on deck 9. The main stage event is We Are Alaska. This fun and informative multimedia event to give.
Look at his little wings moving. He's like passing us actually. But I think he's getting tired. He's falling behind. Checking out main stage. Over here somewhere. I don't think she's it. This is 4th floor. Way over there in the horizon is the Discovery Princess. Up on us, just kidding. There's just such a super long corridor. For dinner the first night, I booked us at Pinnacle Grill, so as I mentioned, we had the Have It All package, which meant we had one night of specialty dining included in that package. I wanted to make sure we went to a specialty dining restaurant on a night that was not a gala night, and from my research, it seemed as if Embarkation Day was going to be one of those days. So we decided to go and check out the Pinnacle Grill, which is the steakhouse concept. There's ice cream in the middle, right? There's ice cream in the middle, right? I got a towel animal. It's a rat, I think, or a fox, maybe. Mouse? I don't know, something. But here's the bed all pulled out. So it's pretty big, actually, like a twin size. So we are back in the room, went to dinner, which was really good, and then we went to a couple of the music shows. One of them not so good, the other one was really good, but it's late. It's 9:30. So we need to check in. So I woke up at like 4:45 this morning, or earlier maybe. So hopefully not going to wake up at that time tomorrow, but I'll take you along with me on our day. So it's going to be a sea day tomorrow, so check back for the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.